So boys and girls, I see that today you have a problem for place value. We have hundreds, tens, and ones. In the hundreds place, you have 100. In the tens place, you have 8 tens. And in the ones place, it says you have 52 ones. Now we know in 52, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens over here. And I have 2 ones. So what I need to do is I need to exchange. So I could have drawn 52 ones here, which I should have drawn, but on the screen it's going to take a long time. But anyways, here you go. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And I'm going to erase this over here. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now all of these 50, I'm going to put it in a circle. And I'm going to transfer it over here. I'm going to represent the 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? And the 50 I'm going to move over. So I need 5 more tens. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 130 here right now. So again, I'll have to do another exchange because 10 of these longs is going to make one flat, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these 10 right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to draw a box around it. And I'm going to move this over. So when I move this over, I already have one flat here. These 10 longs make another flat. So I'm going to put the flat there. So what am I left over with? Now I have 2 flats. So that's 200. How many longs do I have? I have 10, 20, 30. So I have 3 longs. And how many ones do I have left here? 1, 2. So I have 2 ones. So your number is 232. This is called base 10 block exchange. Okay, when we are grouping the tens and moving them over, that's what's called exchange. We are exchanging 50 ones for 5 longs that we put there. We are exchanging 50 ones for the 5 longs that we put here. Then we are exchanging 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 longs for 1 flat. We're moving it over to the hundreds place. So in the hundreds place, we have 2 flats. Then in the tens place, we have 3 longs. And in the ones place, we have 2 ones. That's how you do this problem. If you still have questions, you can ask me, call me, I can explain it to you.